So we're asked to write a method called the lastIndexOf, which is going to accept an integer, and it's basically going to return the index of this value, or the last index of the occurrence of this value. It's going to return -1 if the value is not in our list whatsoever. So let's get started. So the return type is an integer. It's going to be lastIndexOf. And what we want to do here is let's get the ball rolling with a thing called index, and we're going to assume that it's -1. So we're going to make an assumption that, well, I haven't seen it yet, so it's not in the current list that I see. And at the end, we want to return index. So we want to be able to traverse through our list, so we're going to create this temporary pointer called current, and we're going to say while the current is not equal to null, we want to kind of progress through our list. What we're going to do here is, let's see, index is -1. We'll also keep track of a counter, which is going to be 0. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're going to say if, oops, we need some information. We need an integer, so int value. So we need to say if the current.data is equal to value. And at this point, we know that there is such an index, so we want to set our index equal to our counter. What do we want to do what do we want to do before we move to the next node? We just want to mark our counter up to denote that we're now looking at a different index. So let's run this. Hopefully it all works, and it looks like it does. Yep, returns all the correct values. So we'll see you guys next time.